Today, I will be revealing what is by far the best way for beginners to make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing whilst utilizing the power of artificial intelligence, which is ChatGPT. Now, before the rise of artificial intelligence, you had to do this manually, meaning you had to come up with all the ideas and upload and optimize. But now, you can literally have it automated. And basically, in this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how you can get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So the very first step we are going to kick off this process with is by getting our affiliate product. Now, in order to do this, we need to find an affiliate network that works in our country. And there are a bunch of affiliate networks out there like Warrior Plus, we have Digistore, we have ClickBank, we have Impact, we have Partner Stack, we have ShareSale, we have CJ Affiliate, we have Seller, and many more. I give a lot of options, so you want to go ahead and check them out, which of them works in your country, and you want to sign up with them. I suggest you become an affiliate on that one single affiliate network as a beginner, because that way you are able to easily manage the varieties of affiliate products that you would have under that network. I already did an extensive step-by-step tutorial on how to get started on Seller Affiliate Network, which is really good if you are in countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and other African countries. I'm just going to leave an info card up here and you can go ahead and check that out. Now, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Seller Affiliate Marketplace, which is super easy as I have also already done a step-by-step sign-up process on it. Yours doesn't necessarily have to be Seller, but if Seller works for you, then by all means go for it. Now, without further ado, let's go into Seller Affiliate Network, or you can just click the link in the description. So you want to go to affiliate.seller.co. Seller is literally the biggest affiliate network in Africa, and they have about 2,000 plus affiliate partners. They have 30,000 plus products. They have 35,000 plus merchants, and also over 40 million naira plus earned by affiliates. Now, you want to go ahead and get started once you have signed up as an affiliate. So you want to click Get Started. And once you have signed up, you will be able to see the pool of digital products which you can promote and earn. Once you scroll to the bottom, you would see a variety of niches where you can pick a variety of products from. For example, you can see wealth and finance, you can see business, you can see content and media, you can see professional, art and crafts, and the likes. So whatever niche you decide to go into, you can simply click on it and you would see a variety of products under it. And whatever product you want to promote, you can just simply click Get Link and you will be able to get the affiliate link for that product. Now, in order to be certain that you are picking the right product for Pinterest, we want to go to trends.pinterest.com, because that way we are going to be able to see what is actually trending on Pinterest, and in order for us to make the right decision. You want to ensure that your region or location is set to United States, because that is where we are going to be targeting the most of our traffic from. Now, you want to then go to the search bar and search for keywords. For example, let's say fashion. And once you do that, it's going to give you all the trends on fashion so far, where it has been high and where it has been low. And you can see that fashion is currently going up, meaning it has an upward trend, which is something we want to leverage on. And with that, you can go back to Seller, where we can pick digital products to promote under fashion. As you can see, workwear fashion lookbook, you can see fashion, you can see the fashion niche content pack, and so on. So you want to pick your niche, and once you've picked your niche, you simply go back to Seller and pick any you want to get link and get your affiliate link for that product. Now, once that is done, you want to promote your product on Pinterest and begin earning. I will be showing you how to do that in the next part of this video, so do well to stick till the end. I will be putting an affiliate marketing guide in the description, which is great to help you optimize this affiliate marketing business model for the most profit. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to ChatGPT and open a totally blank page. Now, what I'm going to show you is how you can use ChatGPT to provide you with amazing content ideas. The niche we are going to be using today is the fashion niche. By the way, if you are finding value from this, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel if you want to be getting similar amazing make money online ideas, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop a video, you will always know. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to ask ChatGPT to give me 20 fashion trends in 2024 or 2025, as the case may be. And now you can see that ChatGPT has literally done that. And we're just going to optimize it so that we are able to use it for our next step, which is using a free tool for creating pins for Pinterest. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to tell ChatGPT usage of this fashion trend to give me a description where one of the column is the main point and the second column is the explained description and step-by-step tip. ChatGPT will just create that, and you can go ahead and download it here. Now, once you download it, you'll see a spreadsheet. You can see this is the main point, this is the description, and the tips. Another thing we are going to also ask ChatGPT is to give us cool descriptions and titles for our pins. So this is our prompt. You are an expert pin maker. I want to promote fashion content on Pinterest. Give me catchy titles for fashion pins and descriptions for my pins. And ChatGPT is just going to go ahead and do just that. You can see 20 fashion trends you need to know in 2024. You can see red alerts, how to style bold reds in 2024. Another thing you can really use to hone in with this is if there are some certain seasonal periods. For example, let's say it's December period and it's winter period, so definitely winter outfit ideas will be in the high trend. You can easily leverage on that and ask ChatGPT to give you content ideas, titles, and description around that. Next step we're going to do is take our free tool to create our pin, which is Canva. Now, we can easily create our pins by going to Canva and just type in our keyword in relation to our niche for our pin. So let's just say we are going to type in fashion, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us some ideas or some templates on fashion. So we are going to select this one, and we can click customize this template. Now, we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste from ChatGPT. Now, remember, ChatGPT has given us several pin title ideas, and we just want to go ahead and start with one of it. So let's just copy 20 fashion trends you need to know in 2024, and we're going to go ahead and paste it there. So instead of 20, we can just say 2 for a start. And we're just going to go ahead and select whatever we've brought out in our spreadsheet and go ahead to attach it there. Now, because the letters will always overlay on the templates in order to make it a bit bolder, to stand out and easily readable, we can just easily add like a little frame or an overlay of shape just to give it a little bit of transition. So we can go ahead and add a box here. We want to make the box white. We can make it a bit transparent. I want to copy and paste it and use it for the next one. Now, once all that is said and done, we want to go ahead and download. Please, you would want to put in a little more effort in doing your pin designs, because this is actually what is going to grab people's attention now. Now, once you have created your pin, you want to go ahead and download it. The next step will be to go to Pinterest and sign up. If you already have an account, then that is totally great. You just want to go ahead, click here and click create pin. Now, once you do that, you will be brought into this page where you can easily choose a file, and we are going to be choosing the file we've already downloaded from Canva. We're going to go ahead to ChatGPT and add our titles and description which ChatGPT has already given us. So we're literally just copying and pasting. Now, once you've added that, you've added your title, you want to add your description. Now for the link, just hold on as we're going to go back there shortly. Now for the board, we can simply create a simple board. It takes less than a minute. This is just so that all our pins can be arranged similarly, so that when people search our pins, they can easily also be able to see our other pins. So we want our board to be public, so we're just going to go ahead and create it. Then for tags, we want to simply utilize what people will be actively searching for in order for them to see our pins. For example, fashion outfit, fashion tips. Now for the link, do not just go ahead and put your affiliate link there, because this is where a lot of people make mistake in doing, because you're risking your account on Pinterest and you could most likely get blocked. So what you want to do is you want to create a Linktree account and put your affiliate product in the Linktree shop. Remember not to make your description too salesy. Just ensure you are giving value, and people would naturally want to check the link you have attached. I would advise that you are patient with the process, because although this has a really high potential for great returns, you need to have consistency and show up every single time. I would suggest you make about 6 to 7 pins a week, and if you can make more, that is also great. Now, so once anybody gets interested with your pins, they can click your link and they will be automatically brought into the Linktree, where they can see all of your affiliate products you are promoting, and they can go ahead and choose whichever they prefer. And so once there is a sale, you would typically get an email from seller, but you would also be able to see it on your affiliate dashboard. And whatever commission that has been agreed upfront will be paid immediately to you. That way you can withdraw straight to your bank account, or you can keep it and accumulate it in your seller wallet till you are ready to withdraw whenever. I already did a step-by-step process on the Seller Affiliate Network, how to sign up, how to get your affiliate store, how to withdraw, and all of the questions you may be having about Seller. And I'm just going to be attaching the video here so that you can have it checked out.